Welcome to GearHead Insight. What if I told you there's a van so luxurious, it feels like a private jet? And today, we're not talking about one, but the top 3 masterpieces from GMC that redefine road luxury forever. Welcome to GearHead Insight, where every mile feels like first class. Number 1. 2026 GMC Savannah Vans Platinum Lounge. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of class, technology, and freedom. From the very first look, the Platinum Lounge captures attention like a celebrity on the red carpet. The bold chrome grille, the signature GMC lighting, and the sculpted aerodynamic lines give it an intimidating yet luxurious stance. It's the kind of vehicle that makes people stop and stare, not out of curiosity, but admiration. Open the automatic sliding door, and you enter a world that feels more like a private jet than a van. Everything inside is crafted with precision. The seats are wrapped in premium Napa leather, detailed with diamond stitching that gives a royal touch. Each seat reclines electronically, offering heating, cooling, and massage features. The soft ambient lighting, coupled with the panoramic glass roof, gives the cabin a calm and elegant feel, perfect for long highway drives or quiet evening getaways. At the center of the cabin, a massive 15-inch OLED touchscreen acts as your command center. It controls everything: lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even your connected smart devices. GMC's AI-powered infotainment system responds instantly to your voice, making the experience feel effortless and futuristic. Performance-wise, the 2026 GMC Savannah Platinum Lounge is a beast wrapped in velvet. Under the hood lies a 6.6-liter Duramax V8 engine producing 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. That's raw muscle tuned for luxury. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts so smoothly that you barely feel the power transitioning, even when cruising at high speeds. Safety and comfort go hand in hand here. You get adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, automatic braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this massive beauty surprisingly easy. Whether you're driving through the city or exploring the countryside, the Platinum Lounge feels stable, confident, and incredibly smooth. The rear cabin is where this van truly becomes a luxury home on wheels. A plush reclining sofa transforms into a full-sized bed at the push of a button. A 55-inch smart TV folds down from the ceiling, and the integrated Bose surround sound system fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio. You also get a mini kitchenette with an induction stove, fridge, and microwave, because luxury travel means never compromising on comfort. For long trips, GMC has included climate control zones, ambient scent systems, and advanced insulation that keeps the cabin whisper quiet. Every moment spent inside feels like being cocooned in comfort. Even the flooring is vibration damped and temperature controlled, something you won't find in any regular motorhome. When it comes to technology, the Platinum Lounge doesn't just keep up, it leads. With 5G connectivity, smart remote monitoring, and over-the-air updates, your vehicle keeps evolving with time. It even has a smart generator and solar assist battery system, letting you travel off-grid without worry. The 2026 GMC Savannah Platinum Lounge is not just a vehicle, it's an experience that transforms every journey into luxury travel. It's designed for dreamers, leaders, and explorers who want more than just comfort, they want excellence. If you've ever dreamed of owning the road in pure style and sophistication, this is your machine. The Platinum Lounge isn't just built for the destination, it's built for the joy of the journey itself. Number 2. 2026 GMC Savannah Vans Grand Touring Edition, a luxury van that redefines what it means to travel in style. At first glance, the Grand Touring Edition looks like a private jet on wheels. Its sleek, streamlined body design isn't just for show, it's been engineered to cut through the air with reduced drag, improving both performance and fuel efficiency. The glossy pearl finish, chrome accents, and signature GMC lighting design make it stand out as a true symbol of modern sophistication. Step inside, and you're greeted with an atmosphere that feels more like a 5-star hotel suite than a vehicle. The handcrafted interior features quilted Italian leather seating, natural wood paneling, and brushed aluminum accents. Every inch of the cabin has been designed with comfort and class in mind. The seats come with 14-way adjustability, memory functions, and even body temperature sensors that automatically adjust heating or cooling based on your comfort level. In the middle of the cabin, A 17-inch touchscreen infotainment system serves as the van's digital heart. It offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and even satellite streaming for entertainment on the go. Passengers can also control everything through the integrated voice assistant, from lighting and curtains to navigation and media. But it's not just about looks and gadgets. The Grand Touring Edition delivers incredible performance too. Beneath the hood lies a powerful 6.2-liter Ecotec 3 V8 engine, delivering 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. Paired with GMC's 10-speed Hydra-Matic transmission, it provides seamless acceleration and buttery-smooth highway cruising. Despite its size, this van drives with confidence, stable, quiet, and utterly commanding. For long-distance travel, the suspension system has been re-engineered to absorb road imperfections like they never existed. The adaptive air suspension ensures a silky ride whether you're driving through mountain roads or across open highways. And the tech doesn't stop there. You get radar-based cruise control, lane centering assist, night vision cameras, and a 360-degree HD monitor system for total awareness. GMC has packed the Grand Touring Edition with the latest innovations to make driving not only luxurious but also exceptionally safe. Move toward the rear of the cabin, and you'll find the ultimate relaxation zone, a full entertainment suite featuring a 65-inch 8K smart display, reclining lounge seats, and a fully stocked minibar with a built-in espresso machine. The interior lighting adjusts automatically with the time of day, creating the perfect ambiance for work, rest, or entertainment. A mini kitchenette with an induction cooktop and compact fridge ensures you can enjoy fresh meals anywhere. And thanks to the van's advanced battery and solar system, you can go completely off-grid for days without needing to recharge. The 2026 GMC Savannah Grand Touring Edition is designed for those who crave freedom without compromising luxury. Whether it's a business trip, a family adventure, or a solo escape, this van transforms every journey into a world-class experience. Everything about it, from the whisper-quiet ride to the handcrafted interior, screams exclusivity. It's not just transportation, it's an indulgence on wheels. GMC has taken the meaning of touring to a whole new level with this model. So, if you believe travel should be as extraordinary as the destination itself, the Grand Touring Edition is your perfect companion. Number 3. 2026 GMC Savannah Vans Executive Suite Edition, a van so refined that it blurs the line between a luxury motorhome and a private jet. From the outside, the Executive Suite Edition demands respect. The bold GMC grille, laser-cut LED headlights, and deep metallic finish give it an aura of confidence and class. The 22-inch chrome alloy wheels and sculpted aerodynamic body add both strength and sophistication. Every curve and contour speaks of precision and purpose, a true reflection of GMC's commitment to premium craftsmanship. Step inside, and you enter a world designed for the elite. The moment the doors glide open with a soft hydraulic hiss, you're greeted by ambient lighting that automatically adjusts to your mood. The floor is wrapped in hand-stitched Alcantara leather, while the walls and ceiling feature acoustic soundproofing to create total serenity. The seating area offers first-class comfort, featuring reclining captain's chairs with built-in massage and ventilation systems. Each seat comes with personal entertainment screens, wireless chargers, and a mini workstation. The cabin is optimized for business travelers and luxury explorers alike, offering the comfort of a living room, the productivity of an office, and the silence of a private suite. In the center lies the Smart Hub, a fully digital console that controls every aspect of the van. You can adjust the temperature, control the lighting, or even set your driving mode with a single voice command. The system uses artificial intelligence to learn your preferences, remembering your seat position, preferred music, and even the cabin scent. Under the hood, the 2026 Savannah Executive Suite Edition is powered by a robust 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine, producing 445 horsepower and an astounding 910 pound-feet of torque. The 10-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth acceleration, while the intelligent AWD system provides absolute control, whether you're cruising city streets or tackling long highway drives. For safety, GMC has integrated the latest autonomous driving tech, including adaptive lane assist, collision prevention radar, blind spot monitoring, and self-parking capability. It's built not only for power and beauty but also for peace of mind. What truly sets this model apart is its technology and customization. The Executive Suite features a retractable 70-inch OLED 8K screen, premium Bose surround sound system, and built-in satellite connectivity. A mini conference area in the rear allows you to conduct meetings on the go, while a small refrigerator and coffee station ensure you're always ready to entertain. The van also features GMC's EcoPower hybrid system, combining diesel power with a lithium-ion battery pack to reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency by up to 30%. And with its solar-assisted charging roof, you can power all electronics sustainably even while parked off-grid. One of the most impressive aspects of the Executive Suite Edition is its luxury privacy module. With a single button, you can tint the windows, activate noise cancellation, and turn the cabin into a silent, private retreat. It's an experience few vehicles in the world can match. Every moment inside this van feels curated, from the scent of the premium leather to the gentle hum of its engine. GMC didn't just build a van. They crafted a lifestyle statement, a moving penthouse that defines what luxury travel truly means. Whether you're heading to a corporate event, exploring the countryside, or embarking on a cross-continent adventure, the Executive Suite Edition ensures every journey is unforgettable. It's a masterpiece for those who refuse to settle for anything less than extraordinary. Thanks for watching, take care, and subscribe to GearHead Insight, your destination for the world's most powerful and luxurious machines.